In this video, we're diving into the SUNIKA SK-A3 DTF Printer, a semi-automatic 13-inch direct-to-film printer that brings studio-quality DIY t-shirt printing right to your workspace. Before we dive in, make sure to check the link to this DTF printer in the description below for latest pricing details and deals if available. The SK-A3 combines professional-grade output with an industrial-level XP600 printhead that allows for high-speed printing, reaching up to 1.2 square meters per hour. This means whether you're running a small home setup or a higher volume business, you can achieve fast results without compromising on color accuracy or print detail. The printer supports both cotton and polyester fabrics, making it versatile for different types of DIY apparel projects. One of the standout features is the zero-clog technology. SUNIKA's patented dual protection system prevents nozzle drying, maintains optimal ink viscosity, and drastically extends the life of the printhead. This is especially valuable if you don't print daily, as the printer can remain idle for up to 30 days without requiring frequent maintenance. Coupled with the semi-automatic cleaning module, upkeep becomes much simpler and less time-consuming. The smart media handling system is another highlight. The auto-leveling vacuum suction platform ensures wrinkle-free film feeding, while ceramic-coated guide rollers and anti-static technology protect your prints from abrasion and particle damage. This ensures consistent, high-yield production and minimizes wasted materials. Portability is built in with a compact USB-connected design, allowing easy setup and integration into your workspace. SUNIKA also provides lifetime technical support, including 24/7 remote diagnostics, unlimited software updates, and priority spare parts dispatch, giving you peace of mind while running your printing projects. Of course, there are some considerations. The printer weighs 132 pounds, which may require a dedicated workspace, and while the speed is excellent, high-volume commercial users may need to factor in drying and curing time for transfers. Overall, the SK-A3 offers a balance of speed, reliability, and professional print quality, making it a strong choice for DIY enthusiasts and small businesses looking to produce vibrant, long-lasting designs efficiently. With its unique free supply program, industrial precision, and intelligent maintenance features, the SUNIKA SK-A3 DTF printer really stands out as a professional-grade solution that's surprisingly accessible for home and small-scale printing.